Stuck with the Update Custom Module DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we dive into the Update Custom Module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Update Custom Module, frequently associated with the background update agents of third-party software, like specialized web tools or CAD suites. It manages the background checksum verification and localized file replacement threads. If missing, the parent app will report update check failed or will be unable to apply security patches. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Update Custom is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the Localized Update Manifest file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error again. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Update Custom Module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Update Custom Module DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Update Custom Module. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Update Custom Module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.